Hi, this is Rom from Lancelot Video. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to speed up or slow down your video. First, we need to import video or use the plus sign. Then we'll go ahead and drag media onto your timeline. As you can see here, this is the normal speed, a woman running on a track. Now we can go ahead and take a look at this feature. So let's hit pause on the video. Go ahead and start the video from the beginning. We'll go into visual effects by clicking more and bring down the clip speed, which is an effect that will be added to the clip. Now we turn our attention over to the right of the screen where it says clip speed. We can manually enter a number to increase or decrease the speed of the film, or we can actually go to the clip on the timeline and enter or click on the bottom arrow and you can enter the clip speed there. In this case, I entered the number 0.25x, which is going to slow your video, and as you can see on the timeline, the actual clip got longer. Here, make sure that the clip is highlighted yellow. I'm going to go ahead and copy it and then paste it next to it so you can see the difference of speed clips and comparing them. We'll go ahead and highlight one of the videos and make it normal speed, which is 1.00. As you can see, it got smaller. Then I'm going to size it right next to the other video by clicking on the shift and left click of your mouse and just resize it. So what we have now is on the right is 1.00, which is the normal speed, and on the left we have the slower speed, slow motion, which is 0.25, and let's play them together. You can see the difference in video clips. Pretty cool stuff. Now let's go ahead and do the opposite. Let's take a very slow, super slow clip and make that speed up a little bit. So I pulled it down from my library. As you can see, it is super slow, of a horse's hooves. Now I'll click on the bottom arrow and change it to 0.5. That will speed up the clip. As you can see, the clip became smaller because it's sped up. Now I'll just go ahead and make a copy. If you want to make it longer, you can do that and just keep copying and paste it and make the clip a bit longer. So you'll see a little bit more of the horse trotting along on the track. Another quick tip I want to show you is if you highlight one of your clips and go to Edit Effects, you can actually remove all your effects from the actual clip, or what you can do here, which is what I think is pretty cool and neat, is you can add a clip speed. Instead of going to your right and changing the speed, you can actually drag it manually. The benefits of editing this way is it cuts down on your editing time. Here I'll go ahead and drag the speed to make it slower. As you can see here in this video, in this clip, the woman running is once again very slow, but if I make the clip shorter, then it'll speed up the film. That concludes our tutorial for today. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.